Okay, so we're looking at practice probe 7EE2, and question 1 says, April has 5 fewer quarters than twice the number of her dimes. So 5 fewer than means that I'm actually going to subtract 5, then twice the number of her dimes. Twice the number of D dimes. D represents the number of dimes April has, which expression represents the keyword right there, total number of April's quarters and dimes. So we actually have to add D to this. So D plus 2D minus 5. It's not this one, that's not enough. This one's backwards. This one is subtracting. And it's got the things in the wrong order. It should be 2 times D, not 5 times D. Alright, so this is the correct answer choice for this one. Oop. Number 2 says Mike earned X dollars the first week of his new job. So X is the first week. He earned 5% more the second week. So for the second week, that'd be 0.05 times X is the second week. Which expression represents the, keyword again, total amount of money Mike earned? We're actually going to have to put these two together. So if this is 1x plus 0.05x, sorry, that's 1.05x, then that will be 2.05x is the expression that we're looking for. 1x, 0.5x is going to tell me how much more he made that week, but if it's in addition to how much he made that first week, the 1 is still there. So when I put the two together, I get the 2.05x. Correct answer there was D. Third question, Amanda has a coupon for 30% off of the total amount purchased at a store. Which expression can be used to find the amount Amanda will pay at this store when she uses her coupon? Okay, so 0.3 times P will tell me how much the discount amount is. So I've got to subtract that from the original amount. This is missing the variable here. You got to multiply the 0.30 discount times the original amount. So that one did not do that. So A is not the correct answer choice. Let's look at B, C, and D. Okay, now this 0.70 is where you would, what you would get if you'd already subtracted. That's the solution to this. So if it were just plain 0.7 dp, that would work. Okay, 0.30p tells us just the amount of the discount. It does not tell us the amount that we end up paying after the discount. 0.7 dp is how much we pay after the discount, so D is the correct answer choice there. Number 4 says during a sale, a store advertised that every item in the store was 35% off the marked price. During this sale, what was the cost in dollars of an item that was marked X dollars? Okay, so 35% off. So that's going to be 0.35 times X. But the sale price, we have to subtract this discount from the original amount. Okay, this tells us the discount only. 1 minus 0.35x does not work. It needs an x here. If it said 1x minus 0.35x, that could work, but it needs the x there. So it doesn't have that original amount. This one needs the X here. It's not just minus 35 cents, it's 35 cents off of the total times the original amount. D is the correct answer choice for this one. And the last question, number 5, says Roberto earns $5 per hour. $5 per hour plus 65% commission on all his sales. If Y represents his excuse me, sales for one day, which expression represents Roberto's total earnings for a day when he worked 6 hours? Okay, so we know that 5 per hour, so that's a per means to multiply, so we know it's going to be 5 times 6. Y represents his sales for that day, so it should be that right there. So if we substitute 6 in there for our H, this one does not have the decimal there, so that's not going to work. This one has the commission here times 5. That'd be nice, but that's not it. All right, 5 times 6 hours, yes. Decimal 6.5 times however much he sells. This one works. 5 times 6, yes. He does not get paid 165% for his commission, so that's why D does not work. C is the correct answer choice for that one. That's all we have for Practice Probe 7 EE2. Thanks for listening.